In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatter and what it's for in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your team's collaboration, understanding Chatter is essential. It's Salesforce's powerful internal communication tool that helps teams connect, share updates, and stay informed. So let's dive in and take a closer look at how to effectively use Chatter. First things first, you'll need to log into Salesforce. This is your starting point, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, head over to the top left corner of the screen and click on the App Launcher. Here you can search for Salesforce Chatter, which will allow you to quickly access this tool. Now that you're in Chatter, let's explore the Post tab. Here you can click on Post and a text box will appear for you to type your message. Feel free to express ideas, announce updates, or share any important information with your team. You also have the option to attach relevant files or include links to enrich your post. Once you've crafted your message, hit Share to broadcast it to your team. Moving on, we have the Poll tab. This feature is perfect for gathering team opinions effortlessly. Simply click Poll, then enter your question and add options for people to choose from. You can also set a duration for the poll, giving everyone ample time to respond. Once you're ready, click Share to make the poll available to your audience. Another valuable feature is the Question tab. Click on Question to pose queries to your colleagues. Provide additional details and include relevant tags to help categorize your question. After sharing, you can track the answers as they come in, facilitating a productive dialogue within your team. Chatter also offers groups for more focused collaboration. You can either join existing groups or create your own. These groups are excellent for working on specific projects or topics. Within these groups, you'll be able to post messages, comment on threads, and share files, ensuring everyone stays in sync. Speaking of files, Chatter makes it easy to upload and share them. By clicking on Files, you can upload important documents and then share them within your posts or groups. This way, everyone has access to the necessary resources. Whenever you need to find something in Chatter, utilize the search feature. It's designed to help you quickly locate people, groups, posts, or files. This function ensures you're never at a loss when trying to find information or connect with colleagues. In summary, Chatter serves as Salesforce's internal collaboration tool, vital for team communication, sharing updates, and keeping track of work. Embrace this tool to enhance your team's efficiency and build a more connected workplace. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Salesforce Chatter.